Okay, so what we're going to do in this nugget is we're going to apply a change the host name on the two routers. We're going to apply a console, a line VTY, and an enable secret password, and also we're going to apply a banner message of the day. Okay, first thing to do, double click on your router, and it says, do you want to continue with configuration dialog? Simply no. Okay, press return to get started, and first command to get into privilege mode is enable. From the privilege mode, we need to go into configuration mode, so the command is configure terminal. And from here, we have some control over our router for actually configuration processes. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, or the first thing I should say we're going to do, is we are going to change the host name. So, host name. Host name, and the host name is for this particular router is going to be, as you can see, London. So we'll apply the host name of London, and you can see here that the host name has changed to London. Okay, next we're going to lock down the router by securing the console and VTY ports. So these are line ports, so line console 0, as there is only one console port on a router, and as we know, Cisco always starts with 0. Okay, so we want to apply a password, and the password we're going to use is Cisco. We want this to apply on the login, and that is locked down. Now I simply exit out of this one. I go to the line VTY 0 to 4 because there's 5 virtual terminals on a router. Again, apply the same commands, password Cisco, and we want to apply it on the login. So that's all done. Simply exit out again and type to secure the, actually let's just see what's happened. So exit out fully out of the router, and now we're back at the beginning, and now it asks us for a password because we are virtually in the console port and our password was Cisco. So back to enable, into the configure terminal mode, and we are going to enable a secret password, and the secret password is going to be class. This password cannot be the same as the others that you have added. It has to just be a separate password from the other VTY or console port. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm just going to show you a show running configuration. And as you can see here, the enable secret password is fully encrypted. If you look further down in your configuration, you will see that the VTY and the console passwords are not encrypted, and they are in clear text and you can see them. Okay, one last thing to do. Back into configuration mode, and we're going to apply a banner, and it's the message of the day. So MOTD. Oh, it says incomplete command. Space. A delimiter is needed here, so a special character, and I usually use the hash. I'm just simply going to say no. Access. And finish with the special character again. Press enter. Now if I exit out of my router completely, you will see several things. When I press return to start, I have the banner message of the day, no access. When I go to login, it's asking me for the console password, which is Cisco. And when I go to the enable mode, it will ask me for a password, and that's my secret password, which was class. And now I can configure yet again. Okay, so that's that router lockdown. Going to quickly go through this router. So once you've practiced this a few times, you'll see how easy it is to do. So simply enable, configure terminal, hostname, console 0 on the login, password again on the login, and finally, penultimately I should say, and now finally, the banner, MOTD, simply exit out. We have our banner message today. We have our login password, which is Cisco. Manchester is the name of the router. We now have, to go into privilege mode, a password which is class, and that is done. Your job now is to lock down this router using the name supplied, and since there's a space in the host name here, don't worry too much about that, just put head office all as one word. Okay, enjoy.